A hearty good morning to all. From a grammar book, turn page number 54. In our page number 54, we have lesson 10, finite and non-finite verbs. According to the aspect of verb, there are two types of verbs, finite and non-finite. Aspect meaning a particular part or feature of something. Let's start from the finite verb. A finite verb has a subject and changes form to show tense and number. Example, sentence number 1. We eat food. According to the sentence, we stands as a subject. We has its place in the first person plural. So, in first person plural, s or es is not used in a verb. That's why the verb eat is written. If we will write eats, the sentence will be incorrect. Sentence number 2. Hari eats food. According to the sentence, Hari stands as a subject. Hari has its place in the third person singular, and this is the very place where s or es is added in the verb. Sentence number 3. Geeta drinks water. According to the sentence, Geeta stands as a subject. Geeta has its place in the third person singular, and this is the very place where s or es is added in the verb. Let's have a look on the non-finite. A non-finite verb does not have a subject and does not change form to show tense or number. Example, sentence number 1. We are eating food. Sentence number 2. Hari is eating food. Sentence number 3. Geeta is drinking water. In all these three sentences, we can see that in the verb, ing is added in the verb. Now, let us have a view of the kinds of non-finite verbs. There are three kinds of non-finite verbs. Number A, infinitive. An infinitive verb is essentially the base form of a verb with the word to in front of it. For example, to love, to eat, to run. Love, eat and run is our verb. In front of those verbs, the word to is added. Number B, participle. The form of verb that has the characteristics of both a verb and an adjective is known as participle. For example, sentence number 1. I am working hard. Sentence number 2. He was singing well. Sentence number 3. She saw a girl weeping on road. The word working, singing and weeping is our participle. Let's know about the types of participles. There are two types of participles. Point number 1. The present participle. It is the form of the participle that indicates that the action is going on or is incomplete. Example, sentence number 1. Sheila is going home. Sentence number 2. The girl was carrying a basket. Point number 2. The past participle. It is the form of the participle that indicates that the action is completed. Example, sentence number 1. Sheila has gone home. Sentence number 2. The girl had carried a basket. Now, come back to the kinds of non-finite verbs. Number C. Gerund. The form of the verb that is used as a noun in a sentence is called gerund. In other words, we can say when we are adding ing in a verb as a suffix and that ing word works like a noun in a sentence is known as gerund. Suffix meaning the letters added after a word. For example, sentence number 1. Reading is my favorite hobby. Sentence number 2. Running is fun. The word reading and running is our gerund. Thank you.